Welcome to this help video on finding journal titles on Library Search. So if you want to find out what journals we subscribe to, you just click on Journal Search just above the main search box, and at this point you can put in a journal title, a subject or an ISSN, which is the unique number for a journal, if you have access to that information. Make sure you're signed in, so if you want to get into the online versions of the journal you can do straight away. So I'm going to put in advertising, just to find journals on that particular area and then search for that. So you can see I've got a list of journals here now with advertising in the title, and at this point I can go into available in the library and see what holdings there are, paper holdings, or go to available online and just sort those as a list. So I'm just going to go to available online just here, and then I can go into the link for that particular journal just here, and I can see all the different online versions that we subscribe to. So I've got those on the right hand side, so I can go into individual volumes and issues there and look at those. So you've got the different titles for that particular year, and you can add in a keyword at the top and look for the subject across that year as well. So you can do it that way. Or you can look at what's available in the library in terms of paper holdings. So that's just looking for a subject. So what you can also do just here, if I just go to new search again and then back up to journal search, is look for a journal title. So I'm going to look for creative review. I just want to see if the library subscribes to that particular journal, and then search for that. So you can see it's come up, so we do subscribe to it. We've got online versions and some available in the Falmouth Campus Library just here. And again, click on the available online just here to look at the online full text versions of that, and then have a look at the Falmouth Campus Library holdings just here. I strongly suggest though that you do go into your subject guide for your particular course and look at the journals list in there, the things that have been recommended for you to use for your particular subject area. Welcome to this help video on how to find journal articles in Library Search. So I've searched for Victorian Gothic just above here, and I've got a set of results here, and I need to limit those results down now just to find journal articles. I can just look at peer-reviewed journals, but also I can go into resource type and just look generally for journal articles just here across lots of different journals. So if I just click that to limit to journal articles, and if I want to find online articles, ones where you've got the full article that you can look at online, I just click on available online just here, and then you can see my two filters are just at the top here. So then I can start scrolling down through some of my results and just click on the available online link here just to get to the full article. So there are three different providers of this particular journal article, so I'm just going to click on the top one, and then I should be able to get to my full article. So if I just scroll down, and that is then the article that you can look at online. So from here you can download or save that article or view the reference for that article as well.